It is July 1st, 2014, start of the second quarter. Current time is 10:20 GMT. Jay Mosley here with the daily Forex trading outlook. Dollar is starting off the third quarter where it ended yesterday on a weak note. Sterling has extended its high. The commodity currencies are on the firm side. Only dollar yen is higher versus the dollar, and euro dollar is pretty close to unchanged, poised just below the 137 level. If you look at what's going on this week, logic says the euro dollar at least should have a top before the ECB meeting. And the reason is, although the ECB is not likely to change policy, it's no odds it's going to change policy after last month's easing. Draghi will most likely indirectly or directly talk down the euro. What I mean by indirectly is by holding up the risk of QE. That's his current rhetoric. Whether the market reacts or not is another story, but he will try to talk it down at some point because I know they want to limit its upside. Not sure about whether they want to drive it that much lower, but they definitely want to limit its upside. So you could assume he's going to have some dovish comments and comments that will try to keep a top on the euro. If we look at the daily chart here, we still have this trend line comes in about 136. No change to what I said yesterday. The resistance level is right here, 136.35, 137.35 to 75 with 137.75, a former breakdown level. So therefore, that's the key level on top. But 137 seems to be a resistance, perhaps being defended from an options point of view. But if it doesn't get through 137, then 136.50 to 75 becomes the potential support, and a move back there would not surprise me if 137 is not taken out. 137 is taken out, that becomes a new focal point. Overnight, we can look quickly at the. If I can get this to work, hold on. I'm going to have to adjust this chart a little bit, so bear with me. If you look at the 1 hour chart, the breakout level was 75, 137.75. We came back almost to it today, so 136.75. That is your level of support. If it doesn't hold, we go back to 136.40 to 50. So it's 137 on top, 136.75 initial support. That doesn't hold, 136.40, 50. Watch how U.S. yields react to the ISM PMI. If they tick up, it could give the dollar some support. That's it for now. Also, one thing, I wrote my monthly newsletter, came out yesterday. It's right here, Thoughts from the Forex Trenches. If you want to see what's going to influence the market and what's going to break us from this low volatility, I strongly suggest you read it. This link is clickable. Just click on it, and you will get a reading of my view of what's happening in the month ahead and what to look forward going forward. So good luck today and good trading.